The job I have today is to replace the tilt motor, this motor here, on the headlight unit of my car. Just full disclosure, actually, this headlight unit was just given to me for a reason I won't go into, but it actually came without a tilt motor, so I've fitted it, and now I'm going to take it out and then refit it, just to explain. But I wanted to show you this because it's quite easy to try and force the motor in when it won't go. So obviously the first thing you have to do is disconnect the wires, and then it's a twist, anti-clockwise twist, and then pull it up. Now at the moment it's still connected to, you can see as I move it, the headlight unit is tilting backwards and forwards. At the bottom of the stem that comes out of this motor, there's a ball joint that goes into like a cup thing. So let's see if I can show you that. This is a bit tricky because it's all a bit tight, but I'm going to see if I can show you this piece. So it's behind the wires here. You can just about see it just above my finger there. Now what you have to do is you have to tilt the motor and then push the ball out of the side of the, whoops, let's see if I can do that again. You need to push the motor to one side so that the ball comes out of the little cup just there, and then you can lift it out, as you can see. Now replacing it is basically the reverse, but the first thing to notice, I mean, you can judge where the thing's going to go by where the connector is, but on the top of the motor, what you'll find is there's one wide sort of lug and then two narrow ones. The wide one goes at the top, so you need to line it up that way. Now the mistake I made was I tried to then force it in, and no matter how much force you put on it, it won't go. And the reason is because you have to hook it up. You have to hook the ball joint up first. This little ball joint again, you have to get that in there. Goodness me, this is quite difficult to do this on camera, but let's see if I can do it. Now I had to actually pull the, that's it, pull the light unit forward with my hand on one of the bulb holders. Now you'll find that it slips in place. You should have a rubber ring. You should just be able to see the rubber ring there between the motor and the plastic. And then it's a clockwise twist. So push it in, turn it clockwise, and it locks into position. And then we can put the connector back in like that, and the job's a good one. Okay. So I just thought I'd show you that because, quite honestly, if I had kept forcing the motor in there, something would have broken. There's no doubt about it. So just worth noting that. Okay, hope you found that useful, and I'll catch you on the next one.